Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, today I am going to teach you rhyme. And do you know which rhyme is this? This rhyme is about rain. Children, see outside. It is raining? No? Okay. I will tell you what you have to sing. Repeat after me. Are you ready? Okay. See, rhyme is rain, rain, come soon. Repeat after me. Rain, rain,
rain, rain,
come soon.
come soon.
Play with me in the afternoon.
in the afternoon.
Cry not
Cry not
if you're hungry.
if you are hungry.
I'll feed
I'll feed
you with
you with
my silver spoon.
my silver spoon.
Okay, like this you have to sing. If the rain is stopped, again it will come and you will enjoy the rain. Okay, so what you have to sing? Rain, rain, come soon. Play with me in the afternoon. Cry not if you are hungry. I'll fill you with my silver spoon. Okay, practice at home. Thank you. Have a good day.